Hey, traders. Wait, look at this. Look at this. Oh man, this is wild. AWE coin is up 23% over the last 30 days. Can you believe that? It's trading around 60 cents. No, sorry, $0.06 right now. And the 24 VI-hour volume is also climbing. It's like you open the charts and boom, everything's just moving. It's kind of thrilling, right? So the big question, are we actually seeing the start of the next bullish momentum? Or is this one of those, those sneaky little traps that look great until they're not? We just dropped our latest AWE coin analysis, and it's all in there, all the key support levels, all the target zones, everything over on the Patreon. And look, don't miss it. The tester plan is just $10. 10. It's like the perfect, quick little way to see if it matches your whole trading vibe. Links in the description. And hey, as always, do your own research. Seriously, this is not financial advice.